What is going on, everybody? Dan with Gear Focus here, and today I got a really short, quick video for you. We're going to be talking all about adjustment layers in Davinci Resolve. Let's go ahead and get started. So if you don't know what an adjustment layer is, it's a clip that affects everything that is below it. So say you have multiple clips that you want to color grade the exact same way. They're already matched up, but you want to change it to say a LUT or something like that. You can throw an adjustment layer over top of it and it'll do all of those clips all at the same time. Another use for an adjustment layer is if you wanted to non-destructively add effects to a clip. Now I know why you're here. You don't want to hear a big long spiel, so let's go ahead and jump right in to Davinci Resolve and get started. So inside of Davinci Resolve, I have my project already set up. This is a video that I edited for the channel a few days ago. So what we're going to need to do is get to our effects library. So if you don't see it over here on the left side of your screen, just go ahead up to the top and click on your effects library. Now you're going to have a whole bunch of stuff here, from transitions to titles to all kinds of stuff. But where we want to go is under the effects page. And at the top of this, you'll see that there is an adjustment clip. So I have these two GoPro shots here over on my timeline that I want to throw a LUT onto just to make sure that they look a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this adjustment clip, drag it over onto the timeline, stretch it to make sure that it covers both of those clips. Now when I go to color grade, all I need to do is make sure that clip is selected, go to color, and now it's going to affect both of these clips at the same time. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw a LUT on both of these clips by using the adjustment layer. So I'm just going to go put my LUT on here. And now both of them have the same LUT applied. So like I said, using adjustment clips and adjustment layers in Davinci Resolve is really pretty easy. It's a super simple setup and you can do a bunch of things with them. If there are any other editing tips or tricks that you guys would like to see, whether that's in Davinci Resolve or in Premiere Pro, let us know down in those comments down below. We'll do our best to get those made for you. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. That stuff really does make a difference to us here on the channel. So that's going to do it for me today. Thanks for watching. Thank you for sticking around to the end. And remember, Gear Focus is always here to help you feed your passion. Peace.